What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore an incredible piece of technology that's been making waves in the world of refrigerator computer boards. Say hello to the used for refrigerator computer board FRU-541 FRU-543 motherboard 30143D5051. This powerful motherboard is packed with features that are designed to take your refrigerator's performance to the next level. From silent operation to high-temperature resistance, we're going to dive into the key features that make this motherboard a game-changer. First off, let's talk about the silent operation of this motherboard. We've all been there. You're trying to sleep, and your refrigerator is humming away in the background, keeping you awake. But with this motherboard, those days are behind you. The smooth adjustment and reduction in operating noise mean that your refrigerator will be running quietly in the background, without disturbing you. This is especially useful if you have an open-plan kitchen or if you live in a small apartment where noise can travel easily. The silent operation of this motherboard is a testament to the attention to detail that the designers have put into creating a product that is not only functional, but also considerate of your living space. Another key feature of this motherboard is its compatibility and adaptability. In today's world, we're used to having a wide range of choices when it comes to the products we buy. And when it comes to refrigerators, there are so many different brands and models out there. But what if you could find a motherboard that is suitable for multiple brands and models? That's exactly what this motherboard offers. With its precise interface, you don't need to worry about modifying your refrigerator to make it compatible with this motherboard. It's a plug-and-play solution that makes it easy to upgrade your refrigerator's performance without any hassle. Whether you have a high-end refrigerator or a more budget-friendly option, this motherboard is designed to work seamlessly with your appliance. Now, let's talk about the high-temperature resistance of this motherboard. We've all experienced those hot summer days when our refrigerators are working overtime to keep our food and drinks cool. But what happens when the temperature rises? Can your refrigerator's motherboard handle the heat? With this motherboard, you don't have to worry about that. The high-temperature resistance ensures that your refrigerator will keep running smoothly, even in the most extreme temperatures. This is especially useful if you live in an area where the temperature can fluctuate wildly, or if you have a refrigerator that is located in a hot garage or basement. The high-temperature resistance of this motherboard gives you peace of mind, knowing that your refrigerator will keep running reliably, no matter what the temperature is outside. In addition to these features, this motherboard also boasts low-energy operation and a durable interface. The low-energy operation means that this motherboard optimizes power management to reduce standby power consumption, which is not only good for the environment, but also for your wallet. And with its gold-plated connector design, the durable interface is resistant to oxidation, ensuring that your motherboard will last for a long time. This means that you can enjoy reliable performance from your refrigerator without worrying about the motherboard failing or needing to be replaced anytime soon. In conclusion, the used for refrigerator computer board FRU-541 FRU-543 motherboard 30143D5051 is an incredible piece of technology that is designed to take your refrigerator's performance to the next level. With its silent operation, compatibility, high-temperature resistance, low-energy operation, and durable interface, this motherboard is the perfect upgrade for anyone looking to improve their refrigerator's performance. So, if you're looking to take your refrigerator to the next level, be sure to check out this amazing motherboard. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't settle for a subpar refrigerator performance. Upgrade to the best with the used for refrigerator computer board FRU-541 FRU-543 motherboard 30143D5051. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.